In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing Mazda Rx8 Body Kit. So let's head to My Japan Direct, and I've already selected my Mazda Rx8. And the first body kit on our list is the Autocraft. And here we go. So this is the rear bumper. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so the first thing that pops in my eyes is the middle part, the black part. And the thing that is done differently here is that they really pulled it up to the nipples of this car. And but yeah, it kind of looks good. It doesn't look that bad. It's definitely done tastefully. You can see that this is not some cheap bumper that has been shoved in with random holes, curves and holes. Yeah, it definitely looks good. I think if I were to see it in person, it would have looked like really good because it's different. It has like that special craft. You know, some bumpers just have that vibe that is done a little bit more quality. And you can see that in the aesthetics of the lines and how it looks overall. So to me, this bumper here is a 4 out of 5 stars. I also already prepared the front bumper over here. Let's have a look. The front bumper looks really good. It has just enough to make it look different from the Mazda Speed, but it's also like the rear bumper done tastefully. All the lines make sense, and as an overall bumper, it is good looking. So this one, I would actually give it a 4.5 to 5 stars because it's good looking. And yeah, let's have a look at the side skirts. Okay, I think this is the only angle I was able to find. So they're pretty clean looking. You can see the extensions. They come into the side skirts and also exit the side skirt at the front. So it makes sense from a perspective of lines. You know, it's not just a piece of plastic on a piece of plastic on a piece of plastic that makes it like all stairy or full of stairs, you know, and it's just all over the place. So to me, this side skirt is actually good looking, blends well with the car. It gives it a shape. So this is also a 4.5 to me. So as an overall body kit, I would rate the Autocraft as a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Okay, so the next one is the Sea West. Let's have a look at this one. So let's start with the rear bumper. Let's zoom in a little bit and have a look. Okay, so as an overall bumper, the first time it catches your eye, I kind of like it. It's like minimalistic in a sense, but it also has some details to make it stand out. Like the air vent over here for the air to flow from the tires. Then you got the lip over here in the center that goes up. And that's mostly it. This is basically this bumper. It's not an exaggerated bumper, which is kind of good. You know, we don't want just random lines, curves, and holes just to make it look funky. Yeah, I think it's good looking. I would give it a 4 star out of 5. Next, we have side skirts. And let's have a look at them. And I do not like them. No, it's too much going on. There's like a stair here, a stair here, stair here, and a stair here. And then there's the body. That's just too much layers on top of layers. To me, this is an absolute no-go. Look, this part here, this L at the top, it would look good if they would just leave this part over here, the lower part, with this shark fin in the back and somehow blend it in the existing body. That would have been enough. That would have been a good body kit. I mean, a good side skirt. And this is a 2 out of 5 stars. So I'm sorry, these side skirts are not for me. Next, we have the front bumper. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, I kind of like it. Again, it is sort of minimalistic, but the lines and holes make sense. I like the air vent here on the side. It just fits well with the bumper. I like the hole here. I mean, it's the standard hole. I like the fog light hole over here. And I like that the nose is cut in the front, because later on you will see some bumpers have such a long nose that it's just so unappealing to look at them. And also the bottom, it is kind of good looking. I must say that I like this bumper. I think I also looked at it when I was choosing what bumper to put on my RX8. But in the end, you know, you can't beat the Mazda Speed. It's just too good looking. I would give this bumper a 4 star out of 5. Overall body kit, like a 3 star bumper overall. Okay, let's see what we have next. We have Weber Sports. Let's see what Weber Sports has for us. Okay, so we have the front bumper. Let's have a look at it. See, this was the thing that I was talking before. The nose is a little bit too long for my taste, and it cuts down. It is okay here in the front. It has a nice, you know, scoop to get some air in. This part is also nice. This part here, though, I think that is a little bit too much. Side skirts are actually kind of good. The front part blends perfectly. It goes up to the back. It has some cone over here for air, I guess. They look pretty good. I mean, the side skirts, they've done them almost perfect. So I would give them a 4.5 for side skirts. They're good. The rear side, okay. It is an artistic bumper. I don't know why it has that artsy vibe, like someone who likes art designed this bumper. It has some splitters here. It has the middle part. It's not bad looking, but it's not also good looking. At first glance, it is something that catches your eye, but will the eye stay there? I don't know. Mine kind of won't. So I would give this rear bumper... No, I think I'm gonna go with 3. I'm sorry. It's just too much going on for my taste. So as an overall body kit, I would give the front bumper 3 stars, 4.5 stars, and 3 stars. So overall 3.5, let's say, stars for this whole body kit. Oh, what is this? What is this? Mazda Rx8, Mazda Rx8. Okay, let's see what this is all about. What is this? This is some kind of Lancia Delta Rx8. Oh my god, this is like... No, this is something to look up. This is so unusually cool. I don't know how the car looks as a whole. I want to see it. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. I don't know why it looks good. It just does look good. I don't know. Oh, yes. I think I'm gonna give this body kit 5 stars. Oh my god. It just strikes me so positively in a innovative way that, oh my god, this is a very good looking bumper. This was a very pleasant surprise. Yeah, no, come on, no, don't do me like this. No, come on, look at this. What is this? What is this? No, I refuse to believe that this is the rear part. The headlights, take this plastic thing off, throw it away, give it to the dog to chew or something. I can live with the Lancia Delta spoiler over here. It is passable. But this thing at the bottom, he literally took the bottom part of a multi-cultivator and just shoved it into the car and gave it an exhaust. No, I don't like it. No, the rear part is 1 star out of 5. I'm sorry, this is do bueno. Okay, so the first thing that we'll look at is the, I suppose, Series 1 rear bumper from Our Magic. And to me, it doesn't look good. Looks something out of the 90s, early 2000s, and it's a little bit bland. It's just whatever, you know? Just make it look a little bit different. So to me, no, sorry, 1 star. Sorry, bro. Next, we have the side skirts. Let's have a look at them. Okay, so... I mean, kind of. I don't really like the step 1 and step 2. I don't know, maybe... No, these are definitely 3 stars. I mean, they're not exaggerated. They don't have like an exaggerated amount of random things shoved to them over here. And I don't like the steps. And this part right here is just a little bit too much. Just makes it wider for no reason. Okay, so it's definitely a happy bumper. It has a very big smile here. It has a little bit of too much going around. Like, I can live with this, but this over here and this over here is just a little bit too much for me. Overall, I would give this bumper a 3-star rating. Also, mostly because it has a prolonged nose, and I just can't look at prolonged noses on RX-8, especially on the Series 1, because it has small eyes and you give it that big nose. The side skirt, 2 stars, and this... I mean, I can give it a 1, but I can also give it a 2 because it's not super exaggerated. So Overall, the Air Magic body kit for the RX8, I would give it a 2-star rating. Let's go on to the next R Magic for the Series 2. Man, this guy had time. So, I don't like it. It is a little bit too much all over the place. This over here, I don't really like this part. It's just random. The centerpiece over here, I would rather put multiple exhaust inside this hole since it's this big, maybe 3 or 4 to make it, you know, special if you want to give it that jet engine, Gundam wing style of bumper. But as it is right now, from afar, nah, still doesn't look good, bro. I'm really sorry. This part over here just doesn't make sense. No, I'm sorry. It's a 1-star rear bumper. I'm really sorry, bro. Okay, let's have a look at the side skirts. The front could pass. I could live with this. This, though, man, it makes my eyebrows itch. Oh, no, I'm sorry. 2 stars. Then we have the front bumper. Let's see this. Conglomerate of lines and holes. I don't know why it just looks better than the Series 1 version. So I would give this one a 3 stars. An overall 2-star for me. Because this is 1 star, this is 2-star, and this is 3 stars. So let's say 2-star overall. Leg Sport. What's up? I don't like the square bottom. I don't like this part over here. So to me, I would give this rear bumper 2 stars. We have the side skirts. Let's have a look at the side skirts. The rear part looks good. The middle part looks good. The front part, I really don't like this brick that it's over here. This is like, why? Why would you do this? No. 3 stars. Bro, you could have had 5 stars if you didn't put this thing in the front. Okay, let's have a look at the front bumper. Whew. Oh, man. No, I'm sorry, bro. It's a 1-star bumper just because it looks so funky. I don't know what emotion to have. At first glance, it is a very funny bumper. I'm actually laughing and I'm having a little bit of tears, but I'm laughing because it is wholesome, you know. And the first thing is like nose. No, you've ruined it already with a prolonged nose. You see, everything is too concentrated in the front and in the middle. No, I'm sorry, bro. I'm really sorry. It's a 1-star bumper. I think the Leg Sports Club body kit as a whole, I think I would give it a 2-star. Night Sports side skirts for Mazda Rx8. Let's see them. I like it. 5-star on this side skirt. Looks perfect. Front bumper, very minimalistic. Long nose, no bueno. Short, scoop, not a fan of it. 3 stars. Uplugh AO kit. Oh, look at the nose, man. Look at this, like half a meter of nose just there. It looks kind of a shark's face here in the front. If this part would have been all dark, it would be like a shark with no teeth. Like, I'm gonna get you. No, just too much going on. There's like weird shapes here, stuff here, then there's this alien back thing over here. 1 star for the side skirts, 2 stars for the front bumper, and let's see the rear bumper, what we have. I think it's a 3-star rear bumper. Yeah, it's a 3-star rear bumper because it has certain elements that work. As a whole, it has sense. It has like a certain shape. So I would say this is a 2-star body kit, the Uplugh 5P AO kit. So we have the Amia, 2 stars. I don't like this thing here on the sides. This thing over here is just like a thong. Yeah, sorry, 1-star rear bumper for the Series 1. Front bumper, let's see what they have. Okay, so the front bumper, I really don't like the front grille. It just looks like a fish mouth, like widely open. The side here looks okay. This wall of of body kit over here. Just, I would give this front bumper a 1 star. Sorry, bro. Next, what do we have? Another version of the Amia. What's this? I don't know. Blend, long nose, 2 stars. The Series 2. Let's have a look at this. I don't like this part. It just... No, sorry. 1 star. Oh, this I like. I don't know why. It looks like, you know, one of those 80s shades for the window. You can just close everything. But it looks good. I mean, it's retained most of the bumper. I think it's maybe just the front lip, if I'm not mistaken. What is it? Front spoiler. Yeah, just the lip. That's why I like it, because it's, you know, basically the original, just with a front lip. I mean, I can't rate a front lip, so I'm sorry. I can't rate anything here. The rear bumper is 1 star, so for me, this is a 1 star body kit for the RX-8. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what we have next. The Nakamura kind of works. 2 star, long nose. The shape kind of makes sense from a weird perspective, but yeah, they didn't exaggerate too much with things. They kept a nice shape of the oil coolers, or just prolonged it, but still it's tastefully prolonged. The front side is like a big scoop, but it's kind of tastefully done. So for me, this is a 3 star front bumper. This gets a 1 star side skirt. I don't know what they did here. They just wanted to look like an 80s Ferrari. I don't know. It's 1 star for me, John. So anyway, this for me is a 2 star body kit. All right, let's have a look at this one. No, oh my God, look how prolonged the front bumper is. It looks like a duck, like splashed in the front. Just try to look like a wannabe Lamborghini something, but just, you know, everything is concentrated on this lower part over here. There is literally nothing going on here. Everything is too in the front and too low. That's why it makes cars look ugly. Any car. Put this kind of styling in any car and it will be ugly 100%. Too much in the front and too much in too low. No, 1 star. Okay, let's have a look at the side skirts. From here there are 2 stars. Yes, 2 stars for these side skirts. And rear bumper. Oh my God, this is just all over the place. This could pass. This just looks a car. This looks like a car inside a car. It looks like a Mazda Miata shoved inside an RX-8. The bottom piece, I mean, this piece right here could pass. The bottom one, I'm even not that mad. I even like what they did here with the triangle. It kind of makes sense, but these hoods right here, I can't just digest them. So now that I think of it, this is a 3 star rear bumper. Yeah, 3 star, 2 stars, 1 star, 3, 2, 1. Overall, a 2 star body kit. So guys, this is how I would rate all of the body kits that are available on My Japan Direct. From all of these ones, that's the one that stood up for me. If I would have been in a meeting, in a car meet with all of these cars, car versions displayed over there, the one that would stick with me and I would talk about to my friends and show photos would have been the Lancia Delta one. And also there's bumpers that are they're just too special for me to like them in the way that they were meant to be liked. That's how I would like to phrase this one. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know which ones were your favorite, which ones you didn't like, and which one stood out the most for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.